In a world filled with noise, distraction, and uncertainty, there lies a path to inner peace, to true strength, a path taught by the wise Gautam Buddha. Our journey begins under the shade of a Bodhi tree, where a young seeker sits in deep meditation, eyes closed, seeking answers from within. Buddha taught that our greatest strength lies not in the world outside, but deep within us. But before we find peace, we must face the chaos within. Buddha taught that the mind is like a storm, filled with fears, doubts, and distractions. Yet, with practice, this storm can be calmed. In meditation, we transform challenges into opportunities. Just like climbing a steep mountain, every step brings growth and strength. Gautam Buddha too faced challenges. Under the Bodhi tree, he was tested by Mara, the demon of illusion. Temptations, fears, and desires danced around him. Yet, Buddha remained unmoved, finding strength from within. Today, we too can find peace, even in our busy lives. Meditation is not about escaping reality, but about facing it with clarity and calm. As we meditate, we cultivate confidence and inner strength. We begin to see the world not as it is, but as we choose to see it with peace and purpose. Meditation teaches us patience. Like grains of sand passing through an hourglass, each moment of practice brings us closer to peace. Meditation is not reserved for monks or sages. It is a practice for everyone. The student, the worker, the parent, the elder. In each breath, there is peace. In stillness, we find our true reflection. Like a lotus blooming on a tranquil lake, our true selves emerge from the depths of our minds. As we rise from our meditation, we carry peace within us. Like Buddha, we continue our journey with strength, clarity, and a sense of purpose. Thank you for joining this journey. Subscribe for more inspiration and wisdom.